Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a really simple little flower. I have actually used them before on a ring, or you can put them onto a little what I call a bobby pin. I don't know what you call them, a Kirby grip. It's like a grip that you put in your hair and then you can use it as a hair grip, which is a really nice one as well. But it's a really simple little flower. And with this one, I've just done a little swirl in the middle to finish it off. And that one was in gilt, which is the gold colour. And then this one, all I've done is I've turned up the edges a little bit and I've popped a little bead on the inner part, and it just looks super pretty. So I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to use silver wire just because it's what I have available at the moment. This one is 20 gauge. It's copper coated wire, so it looks silver but it's actually copper, which makes it quite nice and easy to work with. So all I need is my silver wire and possibly a pair of pliers, either your ones like this, which are needle nose ones I think they're called, and your flat ones possibly, just to create a little pinch at the end. But you don't need to cut off anything at the moment, and we just need to create our little flower. So all I do to start off with is I take a length of my wire and I just pinch the end to create my first petal shape. And what I do is I actually use my finger, push my finger into the centre and just do a little twist of the wire, and then I can go along to my next one. Now what I generally do is I put them quite close next to each other, because you can pull these out to get the flower shape, just so you know that you're getting them of a similar size. Give that end a pinch, pop my finger in, twist it around, and you can reshape them as you go. I'm just going to give that one a bit of a tighter pinch because I want to to make it a little bit better. So I'm okay with judging kind of how long this is. So this one's going to go fairly close to the other one, just so I can get the right size. Pinch. Put my finger in to get that nice little bulge. And then I'm just going to wrap around and get the wire ready for the next one. And then again, measure it against the other one. This is really nice and simple. Such a quick little flower to make, but really effective. It just looks really nice. Then again, pop my finger in, gets that little petal shape. Then over. I'm going to do my final one. This one's slightly bigger than the other, but I think this one would look lovely in the hair. So I'm going to measure it against the other one. Give a little pinch on the end there. Again, final one, put my finger in to give it that nice little petal shape, and then wrap it around and pull that down so it meets the other one. We can cut that off. And now all I need to do is shape it a little bit. So I'm just going to put my finger in there again, into each one, just to give it a nice kind of petal shape. Quite nice to use your fingers for some of them and not the tools, because you don't want to always use your tools and get little marks all over the wire. But oh, I just pulled that too hard. Ooh, push that back out again. There we go. And there we go. I mean, how quick was that? So that's a really quick and simple little flower for you. And all I've done as I've gone around is I've just given the edges a little kind of turn up like so. And then you can leave it like that if you want to, or bring a little bit of wire into the centre and wrap it around to do this. Or, like I'm going to do now, is I'm just going to get a little bead. This one's amethyst. It's about 4mm, I think, this one. And I'm going to get my 26 gauge wire. I just want a little piece of 26 gauge wire just to add my amethyst bead. So I'm going to feed that through onto there, hold it in the centre, and then just wrap it around really simply. As long as it sits fairly centrally and it covers that little bit in the middle, then it doesn't matter how tightly you do it. I'm just going to see if I can feed this back through like so, just to give it a little bit more of a tight weave around. Make sure it's central again, just give it a little push. I'm holding it in place now with my fingers, and then I can just wrap that wire a little bit around the back, and there you have it. So all I have to do is cut that off, and there's your flower. Beautiful. So if we bring the other one in, you could actually put a couple of them together, couldn't you, like this? You could put them together, you could attach them onto a little pin, and then you can have it and wear it as a hairpiece. I think that was a really quick and simple. You can make these as big or as small as you like, and this one's slightly smaller, I suppose. And yeah, there you go. How quick was that? Quick, simple flower with or without a lovely little bead in the centre. Thanks for watching, subscribing if you're enjoying what you're seeing, and please do hit the like button. I love to hear from you all, so leave a comment. I always do reply, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.